Get ready to know the 5 study tips.
Hey everyone! If you're gearing up for your 10th CBSE board exams, this video is just for you. Today, I'm sharing my top 5 motivational tips to help you ace those exams and become a topper. Ready? Let's dive in. First, set clear goals. Having a clear target makes studying more focused. Break down your syllabus into manageable chunks and set daily or weekly goals. This way, you'll always know what you need to achieve and can track your progress. Second, create a study schedule. Consistency is key. Allocate specific times for each subject and stick to it. Make sure to include small breaks to keep your mind fresh. Remember, a well-planned schedule can make a huge difference. Third, practice, practice, practice. Past year's question papers and sample papers are your best friends. They'll give you an idea of the exam pattern and the type of questions to expect. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Fourth, stay positive and reduce stress. It's normal to feel anxious, but don't let stress overwhelm you. Take deep breaths, meditate, or even go for a short walk. Keeping a positive mindset will help you stay focused and motivated. Finally, seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to ask your teachers, friends, or family for support. Sometimes, a different perspective can make things clearer. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope these tips inspire you to put in your best effort and achieve your goals. Good luck, and remember,
Subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with your friends.